Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get access to our panel here, our climate control panel. So what happened with me in my case is I accidentally damaged the control knob that sits in here to give us the zones here that we need to send the warm air, the conditioned air. So what I'm going to have to do is remove this section, this module, and see if I can repair that knob. So first off, if you have a flathead screwdriver, a small one, we're going to just pry this face off here, this veneer, and it just clipped in there. Okay, so just pop it in here, just work it around very gently, and eventually you'll get it out. It's easier with two hands. Clip right here. Okay, so put that to the side. As you can see, there's various clips on it. Now if you look down here, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips screws. Okay, just going to take those 4 out. Okay, so I've removed the 4 screws. Now this comes out as a module. Again, same with your radio DVD. If you had to replace this, there's 4 screws for this as well. But we're focusing on the climate control. You just pull this out and slide it out. This is what you have. You have 3 harnesses. Okay, so just disconnect the 3 of them. They all clip off, and we're then going to open up the casing to see if we can get access to the circuit board and the controls inside here. Okay, so now that we have the module free, so you'll see right here on either side there's those 2 little yellow tabs. And if you flip it around to the top, there's going to be 1 yellow tab there. You'll just see to the left of the screen. So you'll need a small screwdriver to push those in, and this module will come apart. You have to do it very slowly, very carefully, and just work your way around it. And there's other loose pieces in there, but just if you do it gently, everything should stay where they were. Okay, so I'm going to take this into the garage, and we're going to have a look, see what needs to be done, and any repairs that I can do. So here we have the climate controls. I've separated the module. Okay, obviously you can see the front cover here, the top, and this is the digital board right here. So this is the one that was faulty. And so what I have the knob, and obviously the shaft was broken here, and that's why I couldn't turn the dial. So here's the other section that is part of the shaft right here. Okay, so this is the section that fits into the potential relay here, the adjuster here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I drilled a little hole in here. I'll put the size of the drill bit I used, and drill a hole there and inside this section here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an epoxy and slip this little bit of 18 gauge wire. It's like a LVT wire for thermostat control. I took the sheathing off and just a bit of copper, and that will slide into the 2 drilled holes here and here. And I'm going to use this JB Weld plastic bond. So we'll try that out. So I've mixed my my 2 parts for the plastic bonder, JB Weld. So this should work. Just got a toothpick here to mix it. I'm just going to put a little dab in here into my knob, into the hole, and use my little bit of copper here. Hopefully that should just give it some added strength when we bond these two pieces together. Okay. We're going to have to let that set. Now it is a little bit cool here, so I'm going to take this inside the house, let this fully set, because it's supposed to be above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll put this in a safe spot. Anyways, this will be properly straight and set, and then we'll go into the next step. Okay, so this is the knob. It's been repaired with the JB weld. It's very strong. I had to let it set, but it's very strong. What you'll find here is that after doing the JB weld, the cam here, not sure if you can see it, but it's a flat head right here, and it's rounded in the back. You have to make sure it's lined up perfectly, or else when you put all this back together on the module, you're going to be slightly off to the picture on the module. As long as you know where it is, that's the main thing. But anyways, yeah, that's super strong. Okay, once you've put the module back together, just a matter of putting your harnesses back in. You can't get these mixed up, it's pretty straightforward. Get those nice and tight back in there, put your module back in, climate control module, put your 4 screws back in, and then put your surround, veneer surround on that. Just clips in, and away you go. Give it a little test. Make sure everything spins nice and you get your different air diffusers on the floor, the defrost and so forth. So I have tested this already and it works great. So thanks for watching.